Okay, 2017 Tuesday paper, and we're going to focus on question 2, A and B. The first question is basically a rearrange. X becomes the subject and then can be expressed in terms of H. Now, this is exactly as when you're solving any equation to find the unknown, right? So let's have a look on how we can get this expression, right? So we're going to start from X. And then if you square it, you have x squared. And of course, you have square it. And for this case, and if you want to have -4 in front of that, you times -4. Now, let me write down what happened. So that's squared. And that's actually multiply -4. So from here to here, from here to here. Okay, next one, if you continue and actually add 9. So it becomes 9 minus 4x squared. So that's, you add 9. Alright, that's basically the way that you can have x and become 9 minus 4x squared. Alright, of course, when you have x as a subject, you simply reverse the process, right? You're going to start from this one. Yeah, you go backwards. You go backwards. Yeah, gradually you'll find out what is x going to be. Yeah, that's purely the goal. Now, if you want to go backwards, you have to reverse that process. If previously is plus 9, you have to minus 9. If previously is time -4, you have to divide by -4. Oops. Now, if previously is square, what is reverse of square? Yeah, you have to square root. Okay, so let's have a look on how we can get this done. All right, so we have h equals 9 minus 4x squared. So we're going to get rid of that 9 first, minus 9 to both sides. Alright, so hence study up, h minus 9 equals to -4x squared. Great. One step closer, so we have this step now already, right? Okay, now we want to get rid of that time -4. So hence, we're going to divide -4. Divide -4. Right, so tidy up, x squared, and that's the other side is h minus 9, -4. You can leave as it is, and that's fine. Yep, it's not changing anything. So we got this one done. So we have x squared. Okay, only one step away from x. Now we have to do is square root. Yep, square root on both sides. Alright, so hence we have x on the right hand side, and you have square root and h minus 9 divided by -4. Now, if you stop over there, that's sweet, that's all fine, alright? And cool, let's move on. I won't actually add anything extra to confuse you. That's fine. Okay, question B, simplifying. Of course, simplify. Just like, and if I give you a fraction 2 quarter, you understand. Simplify, now what's going to be? You understand? Alright, okay, that's actually find the common factor there, and divide both top and bottom by the same number, and then you can simplify that into precisely half, right? So hence we have to factorize, just like in get from 4 to 2 times 2, that's factorizing, right? So hence, have a look at the top one, x squared. Yeah, so we're going to break that into two brackets timed together, x times x, so two numbers timed together equals to 4. Yeah, and then add together equals to -5. The reason we're doing that is because the coefficient before x squared is 1, right? So you can recall the question 1 have the similar type, but the coefficient before x squared is not 1. But the story is the same, right? So we're looking for two numbers timed together equals to a times c. That's fine. This also gives you 4. So two numbers timed together equals to 4. Can be 1 and 4, and can be 2 and 2. And two numbers add together equals to -5. Right, so which means both of them has to be negative. Right, this one is exactly what we're looking for. Okay, for the bottom, there are two terms. The coefficient before x squared is 5. So hence, as what I mentioned before, first step, have a look whether there is a common factor exist for both terms of 5. No, excellent. That's 20. That's multiple of 5, right? So hence you can take 5 out. Let me actually write down over here. So 20 is really 5 times 4, right? I'm not sure you can see it. That's right, 5 times 4. Let me actually clean up. That's 5 times 4. Alright, so hence if you take 5 out, good, you have 4 left. Now hold on, what about letter? Yeah, you can see there's an x there, sorry, x squared, which means x times x, right? Let me write it down over here. So that's 5 times x times x. And this one is 5 times 4 times x. So hence we can see that 5 is common, x is common, so hence you can take 5x out. For the first one, you have x left and minus 4. Great. Can we simplify that fraction? Is there any common factor from top and bottom, just like this? Yep. So great. X minus 4. And bingo. So that's the answer. X minus 1 over 5x. So this is merit question. And this is achieve question. Thank you.